Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default tip on the Lyft app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set a default tip on the Lyft app just because you use it so much. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on You on the bottom right-hand corner, then scroll down, then click on Settings. Afterwards, scroll down further, then click on Set Default Tip, and then this is where you can toggle on your default tip. So if you toggle it on, you can choose between different percentages, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set a default tip on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.